Uh, yeah, yeah. Mother of an award-winning journalist out of Jamaica, a chevening scholar, the way carry tree scholar, the woman raiser, journalist for the world stage, the woman and the pen from struggle to strength. Cynthia Gordon, the Jamaican journalist, mom, they never see the tears that water my floor. They never see the nights when I cry. They never see you when I went on the bus with tears in my eyes. I cried, the driver said so early in the morning, and you don't have the fear. I said I lost my job, I have no money. 4 times close to homelessness, educating a son who is no on the worst stage. I did it, but not alone. God was there for me, He graduated with no school loans. Jesus paid at all. My son from my mom coming home, you don't have money. I cried in that moment today. My son was a journalist and Jamaican. TV for 11 years, resigned, lots of prestigious awards. The Prime Minister Award for Excellence, the Governor General Award for Excellence, Best Appearance in the Caribbean. The list goes on now, my son. He teaches Oxford University journalism scholars. Masters with distinction from LSE Masters. Now listening, PhD student at London School of Economic, lecture of the year. I'm not just a mother, I'm a foundation beyond greatness. I raise a global voice, my first VIP invitation was from the Governor General of Jamaica. I stand to my feet, 360 degrees around to show Jamaica behind the pen. Cynthia Gordon, the Jamaica